Breaking news that's coming in right now. Big Supreme Court setback to Mamata government over Snoopgate probe. The Supreme Court has issued a stay on the inquiry into the Pegasus snooping row by the West Bengal Inquiry Commission. The Supreme Court has issued a stay on the inquiry into the Pegasus snooping row by the West Bengal Inquiry Commission. A big setback to the Mamata government, which had initiated an inquiry into the Pegasus snooping row. The Supreme Court has now stayed that inquiry. That's the latest piece of information that's coming in right now from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has stayed the West Bengal government's probe into the Pegasus snooping allegations. Remember that the Trinamool Congress, the ruling party of West Bengal, has been raising this issue since certain allegations and charges were made about Pegasus. This was the reason why the Trinamool Congress in fact staged protests inside Parliament during the previous monsoon session. In fact, brought Parliament to a standstill. The minister at that point of time, Ashwini Vaishnav, had issued a statement in both houses of Parliament, but the Trinamool continued to raise this issue, saying that Pegasus, the software, was being used by the central government and its agencies to snoop on certain individuals, including political leaders, and they ordered their own inquiry into these allegations and charges. Now the Supreme Court has stayed that inquiry. My colleague Anisha Mathur is now joining me live on this. Anisha, give us more details about what happened in the Supreme Court.
Well, Golmi, the commission that was set up by the West Bengal government, remember the state government had set up a separate committee headed by former Supreme Court Justice N.V. Lokul to look into the allegations of Pegasus snooping, saying that since citizens from that particular state were also allegedly part of the list of people who were under unauthorized surveillance, therefore the state had the authority to start such an investigation. However, initially, when the matter had come to the Supreme Court, the Apex Court had asked the state government to not conduct an inquiry because the Supreme Court had set up its own inquiry committee. Now a plea was filed before the Apex Court saying by an NGO, Global Village Foundation, which had said that the state government appointed commission is conducting an inquiry. The court has taken objection to that. A stay order has been passed by the Apex Court, and a notice has also been issued to the committee asking for their response.
Okay. Anisha, thank you so much for all of those details. Thank you.